What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It is the final photo contest of the year. Yes, December contest. Can you believe that? And what a great year. And also what a great prize we have for this fun and challenging theme. First of all, a huge thank you to everyone that's been participating over the last 11 months. Honestly, it's been an incredible year. I don't know about you guys, but I've been selling a ton of the photos from the sample images I created for these videos, for these contests. And your photos are way better than mine, so I really do hope that you're selling a good amount as well. Huge thank you to everyone who has participated, rated images. Incredible help, so thank you so much. That made this community such a cool and fun community project over the last 12 months. Now, the price for this one is awesome. It's this one right here. Actually, it's right behind me. It is the Neewer TL90C, a 37-inch RGB WW LED tube light. And this thing is stacked. Let me break it down because it deserves the spotlight. Power, color, portability, 37.5 inches long with 1650 lux at a half a meter. So super bright and easy to carry. It's even got a little carry pouch. 30-watt output with soft, even wraparound light. High color accuracy with CRI of 97 and TLCI of 98. 2500 to 10,000 Kelvin color temperature range. RGB WW mixing covering 90% of Rec 2020. Fully individually controllable 24 big pixel sections. Pixel effects like color replacement, color rotation, single, dual, triple color, rainbow, point control flame, and more. 18 special effects designed for both photo and video. PWM dimming with 4 dimming curves, linear, S-curve, logarithmic, and exponential. It has advanced HSI mode with 36,000 colors. RGB CW for 0 to 255 color ratio tuning. Resco and Lee gel modes to instantly match 40 film level gels. The touch bar is one of my favorite features. Right on the light, there's a touch sensitive color bar. You just swipe your finger across to pick a color. Super intuitive and super fast, easy to use. And if you're worried about accidental touches, you can lock the touch bar. Awesome. The physical controls on the light are clean and actually make sense. Quick buttons for modes, brightness, color, temperature, HSI, RGB, effects. A screen that you can actually read. Full pixel control effect tuning and dimming curve adjustments right on the device. If you like controlling lights directly without relying on the app, then this thing is a dream. Now let's go into the app. The Neewer app is fantastic. Now this is where the magic happens. You can control pixels, you can build animated effects, color chases, rainbow sweeps, forget it, everything you can control with the app. Use the Infinity Network mesh to sync and control up to 256 lights at once. I feel like I'm missing one here for balance. Fine-tune colors with HSI, RGB WW, gel emulations, and more. Perfect for photo, video, portrait, YouTube setups, product work, light painting, I mean, you name it. This thing is awesome. And now let's get into the battery. It's got a 6,000 milliamp battery with about 120 minutes at full brightness. And you can use it while it's charging. Right now it's plugged in and it's fine, it's charging and I can use it. It's got a 180-degree curved design, so it's beautiful, frameless wraparound light. You can see here, there's no frame, it's just a light sticking out. You can mount it on the light stand with a 1/4-inch screw, or you can hang it using the clamps or wires. Basically, it's a creative Swiss Army knife. Whether you're shooting video, portraits, stock photos, long exposure light painting, awesome. Huge thank you to Neewer for making this final giveaway of the year possible. Seriously, a big round of applause for Neewer. Flora, thank you. You've been awesome to work with. You're the best. Thank you so much for making this year happen. Now, for the last 11 months, we've chosen a theme based on my list of things to shoot for stock photography, which, by the way, you can download that list for free. It's 20 monthly ideas of things that you can shoot for stock photography. Go to wollertzphotography.com, all the way to the bottom. Put your email there. You don't have to subscribe to the newsletter if you don't want to, but I think you should, and download the guide right there. But now for December, I've tried to switch things around a little bit. And no, I'm not gonna be using that list for this month. Shocking, right? I was inspired by Eric Perret and his amazing work. So for this month, the theme is going to be light painting photography. Yes, I know, this is a broad theme and it's on purpose. I want to see your creativity. I want to see you use long exposures, flashlights, light tubes, plastic bags, LED wands, whatever you want to do to show creative movement, trails, shapes, silhouettes. Literally, go wild. I used this TL90C to try to replicate some of Eric Perez's style, and yeah, not even close, but I did learn a lot. And I also learned how flexible this light can be and how bright it can be just around sunset. I hope to reschedule another session with Kato, the model, soon. And when I do, I'll be sure to share those photos with you. Okay, back to the contest. How do we enter? You have 2 weeks from today to upload up to 3 photos, and then 1 more week after that to rate those images. There's a link down below in the video description, and also you'll find the information at wollertzphotography.com. The same link will take you to upload and to rate the images, and you will also find all of the official rules and all the fine print for the contest on the same link and on my website. There's always disclaimers. YouTube has absolutely nothing to do with this. This contest is me, Wollertz Photography, and Neewer, who is providing the prizes. And again, we can't ship everywhere, so go ahead and check those official rules. Thank you so much for watching and for participating and for making this whole year of contests something truly special. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Now, as always, may the odds be ever in your favor.